Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and send statements in QuickBooks Online. This is essential for keeping your customers informed about their account balances and transaction history, and it helps maintain clear communication about what's owed. Let's start by navigating to the Sales menu on the left side of your screen. This is your hub for all customer-related activities in QuickBooks. Once you're there, click on Customers to open your complete customer list. This view shows all the clients you've worked with and allows you to manage their accounts individually. Now find the specific customer you want to send a statement to and click on their name. This opens up their detailed profile. You'll see various options and information about this customer's history with your business. Look for the Actions column and click the drop-down arrow next to the customer's name. This reveals several account management options. From the drop-down menu, select Create Statement. QuickBooks will now prompt you to customize the statement details. Here's where you make important decisions about what information to include. You'll need to choose the statement type, and you have three options. Balance Forward shows the previous balance plus new activity. Open Item displays transactions from the last 365 days that haven't been paid. Transaction Statement provides a comprehensive list of all transactions within a specific time frame. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, enter the start date and end date to define the period you want the statement to cover. This determines which transactions will appear on the statement, so make sure these dates accurately reflect the time frame you want to communicate to your customer. Before sending, verify the customer's email address shown on the screen. QuickBooks pulls this from the customer's profile, but it's always smart to double-check that it's current and correct. Sending financial documents to the wrong email can create confusion and privacy issues. Once everything looks good, click Save and Send to prepare the statement for email. QuickBooks will generate a preview of the statement, giving you one final opportunity to review everything. Take a moment to look over this preview for accuracy. Check that all transactions are correct, the dates are right, and the formatting looks professional. This final review step ensures your customer receives clear, accurate information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.